Hi, this would be update number 3. The first thing that happened from, like, say, May 10th to, well, let's just say this weekend, is Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. The second thing that happened actually was yesterday for my week, and that would be my birthday. Yay! Happy birthday! Um, The only sad thing that happened this week, kind of negative, is that as an experiment, I wanted to see if my mother-in-law would remember my birthday on her own without me or my husband reminding her, and she didn't. She didn't even wish me happy birthday. But that aside, we are finally moving into our own place this weekend. So I will be able to make more videos when we get internet back up, and I will be able to decorate my house all Wiccan or Buddhist if I want. I will be able to have my religious books out. There's just a whole lot of pros to us getting our own place. Besides, religious factors. We'll be able to eat whatever we want. We'll be able to watch whatever we want. We'll be able to do laundry whenever we want. There's just a whole lot of factors, and I really don't want to get into all the negative stuff that my mother-in-law has done while we've lived here, but um, just be happy for us, and I guess send positive energy our way. And like I said, the internet's going to be down for a little bit. I'm going to try and make another video today about what I have no idea yet, but there will be more videos coming. I promise, I promise, I promise. And the second reason that I haven't been making videos is I've been really busy with school. But again, I will be able to make videos whenever I want now. I won't have to wait until like Friday, or I won't have to wait until, my mother-in-law goes somewhere or whatever. Or I will have to wait until, I have time. But this frees up my time because I will have more time to make videos. So, anyway, I will let y'all go. I've got some packing to do, and I will see you when we have internet again. Peace.